महाराष्ट्र आपला वेबवाणी घेऊन आली आहे माहिती मनोरंजन व ताजा घडामोडीचा खजाना। गल्ली ते दिल्लीच्या घडामोडीचा आढावा थेट आपल्यापर्यंत। तर मग बघत रहा, ऐकत रहा महाराष्ट्र आपला न्यूज वेबवाणी।
Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Maharashtra Weebwani. This is Preeti Sabe. Let's have a look towards today's top news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the 77th episode of his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat. This comes on a day when the BJP-led government at the centre completes 7 years in office. PM Modi expressed grief over the hack created by Cyclone Taukte and Cyclone Yas. PM shared condolence to those who lost life in the destruction. PM also appreciated the forces who work on war footing to ensure the safety of people and carrying rescue operations on time. Amid rising cases of mucormycosis, another consequence of Ambisome used to treat black fungus reached India on Sunday. A total of 2 lakh doses have reached so far, said the ambassador of India to the United States, Sanjit Singh Sandhu. The center has asked states and union territories to initiate legal or administrative action against institutions which are giving package for COVID vaccination in collaboration with hotels in violation of prescribed guidelines. In a letter to all states and UTs, Additional Secretary to Health Ministry Manohar Agnani said it has come to the notice of the Union Health Ministry that some private hotels are giving package of COVID vaccination in collaboration with some hotels, which is against the guidelines issued for the National COVID Vaccination Program. With the country grappling with the lagging second wave of coronavirus pandemic, the Bharatiya Janata Party have refrained from organizing any grand event to mark the Narendra Modi 2.0 government's second anniversary. The ruling party has instead decided to organize relief work across the country to celebrate the 7th anniversary of its government at the center. Let's have a short break. A ship is stuck on the seashore due to Cyclone Taukte in Palghar, Maharashtra. It is a matter of concern that oil is leaking from this ship, which has increased the danger to life. There is about 80 of the ship have also been seen floating in the sea. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday hit out at the government, saying ministers of different departments are compelled to speak out on any subject just to of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. For the sake of PM's false image, many minister of any department is compelled to speak anything on any subject, he said in a tweet in Hindi. The Mumbai Municipal Corporation on Friday announced that vaccination centers will be set up for students who are bound for foreign universities starting Monday. Students in the age age group of 18 to 44 years can walk designated COVID-19 vaccination centers and get the jab free of cost on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Choose and Copper Hospitals, Rajwari Hospital and Kasturba Hospital for the vaccination drive. India achieved a significant landmark in its ongoing COVID-19 vaccination drive as the cumulative number of coronavirus vaccines administered reached the 20.86 crore mark on Friday, according to the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. As of day 133 of the vaccination drive, a total of 28,07,411 vaccine doses was given, out of which 25,99,754 beneficiaries were vaccinated for the first dose and 2,07,657 beneficiaries received a second dose of vaccine as per the provincial report till 7 p.m. So bye, this today's news have finished. Have a nice day.